Hey guys, how's it going? So it's Sheldon here again from Beard and Brews. So tonight I'm going to be making a drink called Sex on the Beach. It's a simple drink, just 2 liquors, 2 mixers, and it's good to go. You don't have to stir, you don't have to shake, none of that. So I'm going to try something a little different tonight. So I got my main camera here with the light, the microphone. Hopefully you guys like the new microphone. I do. I think it sounds a little bit better. It takes away all that background noise that's going on. But I also got this camera. Not sure how it's going to work out. I don't know if it's going to be side by side or if it's just going to be a little box. But it's just going to show the drink, making it from the bottom to the top, just to kind of give it that little bit of a look. I like 2-3 cameras going on. I'm trying to stay in frame. I haven't really figured out how to set this up yet. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start this drink for you guys. So the first ingredient is going to be vodka. 1 full shot of vodka. Then you're going to go peach schnapps. Do half a shot. You're going to take your orange juice. Don't forget to shake it. Fill it up to the top. We're almost to the top, about 1/4 of the way there. Then grab your cranberry. Berry. Yeah, my speech impediment came in. Run it down the middle. There you go. Let me grab some garnishments. I don't want no lemon. There, I got my orange. So I got my orange. Gonna throw that up on top right there. Hopefully you see that. Get your straw. Opposite side. And there you go. You have 1 Sex on the Beach. So I'm gonna start again. So it's vodka, half peach schnapps, fill it up about 90% to the top with orange juice, and then just top it off a little bit of cranberry. What you get is that right there. I'm spilling it all over the place. So there we go. You guys have a wonderful night, great day, or something. I will be posting up a new video tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm going to do a video about just flair. I don't think I'm going to be making another video for drinks. I kind of want to change it up, and I want to do maybe a flair video. So you guys have a great night, and hope everything goes well. Thanks.